In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add patterns to Figma designs. We'll walk through building a simple pattern, turning it into a reusable fill, and dialing in the look so it fits your design perfectly. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the canvas you want to work with. Next, create the shapes that will become your pattern. These can be circles, squares, lines, or a combination, whatever suits your style. Give each shape a fill color that works with your palette. As you place shapes, think about how they'll repeat, keeping edges clean and spacing consistent will help your pattern tile seamlessly. When you are happy with the layout, select all the shapes and group them. Grouping keeps everything locked together, so if you move or resize, the pieces won't shift out of place. Now create a frame. This frame acts as the pattern's tile, the boundary Figma will use when it repeats the artwork. Place your grouped shapes inside the frame, and make sure they sit the way you want them to repeat. The frame size effectively defines the repeat unit, so a smaller frame leads to a denser pattern, while a larger one creates a more open look. Select the frame, then open the fill panel in the right sidebar. Change the fill type from solid to pattern. This tells Figma you want to use a source tile instead of a flat color. Choose your pattern frame as the source. The moment you do, Figma turns that frame into a repeating fill you can apply anywhere. From here, tune the pattern so it matches your layout. Adjust the scale to control how large or small the pattern appears. Tweak the spacing to open it up or tighten it down, depending on the visual density you need. If your design uses a hexagonal structure, use the skew option to line up the pattern on that hex grid for a seamless, directional feel. These controls let you adapt a single source pattern to many different contexts without rebuilding it. One big advantage of this workflow is that it's dynamic. Any changes you make to the original source frame colors, shapes, or arrangement will instantly update everywhere the pattern fill is used. That means faster iterations and consistent styling across your design. And that's it. Thanks for watching.